पर्सन के लिए छोड़ दूंगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे मैंने कन्वर्सेशन की, मैंने फैशन अपने पर्सपेक्टिव दिया. बेसिकली आई वॉन्ट टू नो योर पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ अ फैशन. मैंने पर्सपेक्टिव दिया एंड देन आई have a question and then I will like ask a question from Komal, and I will go for Komal and I will say, okay Komal, I have my this question. तो Komal जो है वो उसको आंसर करेंगी and then Komal will give thank you. Then Komal will give her own perception, and after giving her perception she would say कि I have this question for the next person, and then I will ask the question of Komal from for example Bushra nodding, and Bushra will answer that question, and further Bushra will like tell us about her perception of fashion, and then she would have any question, and then I will ask from the other person. So that would be actually, that's how we would go on. Okay, so I'm going to start the conversation. If someone is coming like people are coming and it's 8:03, तो किसी को नहीं समझ आ रही, तो that person would ask कि हो क्या रहा है. तो वो बीच में वैसे भी जिस तरह conversation चलेगी, you would get the idea कि हो क्या रहा है. So I will start a conversation, and after that I will ask from anyone that give me your perception, and then we would more carry on. Okay, so let's start. It's about fashion. Okay, but my perspective about fashion is that I do not follow the contemporary fashions. I believe that fashion starts from me. Whatever I like to wear, I wear. Whether my tailor says that it's very old now, that you are wearing churda pajama and long shirt, it's out of fashion. And I have only one answer for him: none of your business. So I believe that you should wear whatever you like. Whatever you like, you should wear. Don't go that it's not in fashion, it's out of fashion, it is this and that. None of your business actually. Do whatever you like to wear, and that will suit you more than anything. And you can set a trend for yourself and for many people around. So I have my own I must say that a set of standard that like I am now going towards the trouser and shirts, but what I prefer always, that is churda pajama and long shirt. I really love it. So I love traditional dresses, so I go for that, and that is how I carry the fashion. Whether I'm in anywhere, like it's in a wedding ceremony, or I have to go to a formal events or this and that whatsoever, I change the designs of a dress. I just change the colors. Like at night time, I wear dark colors. At the daytime, I wear light colors. But I always prefer that my 90% dresses are churda pajama and long shirts. That's it. So that's how my perception about fashion is that fashion starts from you. You don't need to allow anyone to tell you what is in the fashion, what is not. That's your own choice. Fashion should start from you. So my next question from my question is from the person is that what kind of a dresses you want to wear. Your question should be simple for the other person. It's very like the other person can answer in a one word. Your question should be simple. Okay, so my question for the other person is that what do you like to wear in your daily life, or like what you love to wear actually. So I will start from Zanjeel Malik. I thought Zanjeel Malik was not present last day, but yes, she is here now. Yes, Zanjeel Malik, please unmute your mic and please
Yes.
try to speak. Okay, Sanjeev, just wait for a minute, Sanjeev. Don't need to mute. Okay, please, and don't need to say me, ma'am. मुझसे बोला नहीं जा रहा, नहीं बोला जा रहा, तो फिर जहाँ मर्जी से अंदर से निकालें आवाज. I don't know. Okay. Yes, Sanjeev, I have a question for you. Did you get my points that what I am asking for? Hello.
No, ma'am.
Okay, let me ask again. Sanjeev, tell me that what do you love to wear?
I would love to wear Pants and top.
Okay, you love to wear pants and tops. They are really, really, really good. I really love them. Okay, so Zanjil, what do you think? What is your perception about fashion? What do you think? What is fashion? What is your perception? Yes, Anjit, please.
Ma'am, wait.
Ma'am, ma'am, wait, that is my perception. Okay, as we are waiting for Zanjil, so I would say you that's not that I'm pointing out anyone. I'm not pointing out anyone. I'm just trying to what you can say that like it's not just I'm pointing out. I'm again saying please don't take it in your heart or on your heart. ऐसा है कि whenever you are among people, some would be senior from you and some would be junior from you. There is a way to talk to people. There is a way to talk to people who are unknown to you. You have a distance from them. So whenever you are going to say anything anything, then please use words. Can please, kindly, thank you. These are actually the words that you should use. Like if, for example, if I'm going to say anything, like I would say, "Can you please wait for a while?" So that shows your uh, what you can say that a well mannered personality. It's not just I'm saying that if you are not if you say wait, that is a bad thing. No, it's not. But the point is that I prefer that we should follow up the things in our daily day to day life and try to just what according to me fashion वही होता है जो हम पे अच्छा लगे. Okay, I didn't get you, Zanjil, please. It's a speaking class, not a. I'm not asking a question. It's a speaking class. I would not consider it on chat. Nobody is allowed to send me a message on a chat box. I need your perception with your voice. Please, Anjil, come up.
मैम
Yes.
अभी तो स्टार्ट किया तो अभी तो इतनी सही इंग्लिश नहीं आती मुझे.
It's okay. I'm not asking for English, complete English. I told you that you can use sandwich as well. I'm telling you, if you would say अभी start है, then after 3 months you would say अभी तो 3 months हुए मैडम कहाँ से बोलूं. So please hurry up.
मैम मैं ये कह रही थी कि मतलब फैशन मतलब मेरे नजदीक वही है कि जो हम पे अच्छा लगे, मतलब हम वही फैशन करें जो हम पे अच्छा लगे. लाइक आजकल गर्ल्स फैशन कर रही होती हैं और वो बिल्कुल भी उनपे जो है वो दिखने में सूट नहीं कर रहा होता. मैं ये कहती हूँ कि हम कोई फैशन जो हमें अच्छा लगे, हम उसमें जो है वो कंफर्टेबल रहे.
But maybe if some girls according to us, like for example if I see a girl who's wearing a tight jeans and a t-shirt or a top, and I am saying that oh it's not she's not looking good in that dress, but maybe she is comfortable in that dress. So how would I say? Then she'll try to speak.
यस मैम, मैं भी वो कंफर्टेबल ना हो, लेकिन मतलब कि मेरे कहने का ये मतलब है कि दिखने में भी तो अच्छा लगे ना, कि जो उन्होंने पहना हुआ है वो दिखने में अच्छा
she's
लगे कि
not
उन्होंने
wearing for
फैशन किया.
you. Okay, but she's not wearing for you, she's wearing for herself. So even if she's not wearing anything, maybe she looks good and she feels that I'm feeling good, so that is enough for her. Maybe that is the perception. Zinjil, instead of thinking what others should wear, you should think then how should speak.
मैम मुझे समझ नहीं आया, आप रिपीट कीजिएगा.
मैंने कहा जंजील instead of thinking what people should wear, you should think that how can I start speaking English. Zanjil, you haven't used a single English word actually.
मैम एक्चुअली मेरी जो है वो इंग्लिश बिल्कुल भी नहीं अच्छी है, मुझे बिल्कुल आती ही नहीं है सही से.
एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट मेरी तो इतनी पैथेटिक थी कि मैं अकेली बोलती रहती थी, मैं डरती बहुत थी, मैं क्या अगला बंदा कहेगा. बट कोई बात नहीं Zanjil, please. Okay, let me tell you one thing. I have read a quote somewhere, and that was through indignities man comes to dignities. इसका मतलब ये फ्रांसिस बैकन की है ये. वो कहता है कि थ्रू इंडिग्निटीज कहते हैं बेइज्जती को. वो कहता है बेइज्जती से ही इंसान इज्जत की तरफ जाता है. तो पॉइंट इज है, वो तो हर कोई अपने परसेप्शन से लेता है. मैं इसको ऐसे लेती हूँ कि जब किसी काम में आपकी सही होती है ना बेइज्जती, आपको फील हो रही होती है, तभी वो काम आपके अंदर आग लगाता है कि अब मैंने ही इसे करना है और मैंने किसी को करने नहीं देना. सो फील के सारे आप पे हंस रहे हैं, हालांकि कोई भी नहीं हंस रहा. किसी को इतना कंसर्न नहीं होता. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, जिंदगी में किसी को किसी से इतना कंसर्न नहीं होता अगला बंदा क्या कर रहा है, सिवाय आपके रिश्तेदारों के.
नहीं मैम, बेइज्जती की बात नहीं है. लिटरली ना मुझे सही से इंग्लिश आती नहीं है, क्योंकि मैं स्टार्ट में उर्दू मीडियम में पढ़ी हुई हूँ, और उसके बाद जब मैं इसमें फर्स्ट ईयर सेकंड ईयर में मैं आई थी, तो लिटरली मेरे सर जो है वो मुझे एक आंसर के जो है वो चार अलग, एक क्वेश्चन के 4 अलग-अलग आंसर्स मुझे याद करवाते थे, कि शायद जो है वो पेपर में अगर मुझे एक भूल गया तो दूसरा शायद माइंड में आ जाए, या चारों आंसर्स में से मुझे कोई लाइंस माइंड में आ जाए और वो मैं लिख लूं.
हाँ ओके संजीव, ये जरा बाकी से पूछ के तो मैं आपकी तरफ आती हूँ. ये आपका मैंने पेंडिंग लिखा है. I'm not going to let you go so easily. I'm telling you. Okay, so my next question is from Tayyiba. Yes, Tayyiba, please unmute your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Tayyiba, good evening. I hope you are fine. So, Tayyiba, what do you like to wear?
Ma'am, I like short shirts and shalwar.
Okay. Okay, short shirts and shalwar.
Yes,
that is really good. Okay, so Tayyiba, what is your perception of fashion? Say whatever you like to say.
Age में.
I'm sorry, I'm not getting you properly, Tayyiba, please.
Hi.
Yes, Tayyiba. Your mic is mute, Tayyiba. Okay, Tayyiba, are you getting me? Please unmute your mic. Yes, you are here. Yes, Tayyiba, what is your perception about fashion? Yes, Tayyiba, your perception about fashion? तैयबा क्या इशू आ रहा है, मतलब इंग्लिश बोलने का इशू आ रहा है या वैसे इशू आ रहा है? हेलो ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tayyiba, please tell me about your perception about fashion.
Ma'am, actually ना मेरे फोन में कुछ इशू है, आ रही है.
Okay, even then, tell me what is your perception about fashion? Whoa. Please do something with your phone. I'm going towards another one. Yes, Atika Noor. Tayyiba, please just settle it down. I will come to you again. And who's the one? Yes, Atika Noor or Atika Noor. I'm sorry. Please unmute your mic.
Assalamualaikum. How are you, ma'am?
Walaikum salam, Atika. I'm fine. Not good this time actually. Okay, Atika. So tell me, what do you like to wear?
I like to wear short frocks
Okay.
and capri.
Okay, capris and short frocks. That's really good. Okay, what do you think, Atika? What is your perception about fashion?
My perception about fashion is that fashion is everyone's own choice.
Okay.
With which dress we feel comfortable. I prefer that, and mostly people prefer